How to sell crypto on Kraken. For that, you need to first of all launch your Kraken mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you will be able to see your portfolio value, and here you will be able to see all of the coins that you have in your Kraken account. So let's say you have BTC in your Kraken account, so you need to tap on the BTC/USD pair. Here you can sell your BTC and in return you can get USD. Now tap on the sell option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and enter the amount of crypto that you want to sell, and it will show you the equivalent amount of USD that you will get. After that, tap on the sell crypto or the sell BTC option in order to sell your crypto, and this way you will be able to sell it over here. If you want to view your balance, you can tap on the balances option, and you can even check your position by tapping on the position option if you have selected the limit sell order. This is how you can easily sell crypto on Kraken. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.